The vital sign template can be useful for capturing height, weight, BP, and calculating body mass index for your patients that are 2 years or older, as outlined in the meaningful use vital sign criteria. Vital signs may be entered manually or electronically through devices. As for calculating a patient's body mass index, sit back and let Centricity EMR do all the mathematics and include it in the patient's chart record. The structured vital signs that have been entered over the course of time can be analyzed by viewing them using Centricity EMR's growth charts. The graphs can be printed and given to the parent, which is in keeping with one of the optional menu requirements. We will discuss patient education materials later in a separate recording.